Hello XT Laser, greetings from Bulgaria.
Hello from Instagram.
Olá! Essa semana é uma semana muito especial para a Forte Equipamentos.
Hello everyone, my name is Umair and I am Service Manager at XT Laser, Pakistan.
반갑습니다. XT 레이저 이분야 축하드립니다.
Buenos días, estamos en Bogotá, es la empresa mecánica Tuli.
Zdravo, ja sam Dragan Antonić iz Antona Vase Lozica. My name is Alan, as Mike just said. Actually, you are in Canada.
I would like to warmly congratulate you on your 20th anniversary.
We are here to celebrate 20th anniversary of XT Laser in China.
Pois o seu principal fornecedor, aliado e parceiro, a XT Laser, comemora seu 20º aniversário.
Congratulations, XT Laser for its 20th anniversary.
Congratulations for XT Laser for 20 years anniversary.
We would like to say congratulations 20th anniversary for XT Laser.
I want to congratulate XT Laser on their 20th anniversary. They've been an absolute joy to work with.
XT mga partner과 계속해서 XT 레이저 television excellent, invite excellent product. I recommend.
We've been working with XT Laser for a long time and we have bought many laser machines, such as laser cutting, welding, cleaning and marking machines. It's always been a brand we trust, so I recommend XT Laser to everyone.
We have two XT Laser units in our office in Houston that's helped us install and get our equipment running. We highly recommend XT Laser.
El ingeniero Siga nos dio toda la capacitación, nos enseñó cómo hacer el mantenimiento general de la máquina, los parámetros principales para poder utilizarla.
Bueno, pues último día de instalación de nuestro láser XT con nuestro amigo Tiga y todo perfecto, muy contentos y bueno, pues a colaborar con ellos, a seguir comprando de máquinas.
Now this is not only the display center, it's the proper service center where we have maintained all the major components and relevant accessories of laser machines.
We have been cooperating with XT Laser for a long time and bought many laser cutting machines. We definitely recommend XT Laser.
We have been cooperating with XT Laser for a long time and bought many laser cutting machines and welding. It has been a brand that we trust. I recommend you to buy XT Laser.
Hola, la máquina se instaló correctamente, todo está funcionando bien. Las pruebas de corte que hicimos salieron bien para todos los espesores.
We are the official partners of XT Laser here in Greece. We have been working with them for the past years and we would like to wish them a happy 20th anniversary.
Our company is a new company since 1 year, and we chose XT Lasers at first because they were answering very well to all our questions. And we bought the laser tube here you can see, and we are pretty satisfied.
Con el apoyo de ustedes para seguir trabajando y haciendo un mejor esfuerzo para así poder llegar a más clientes y a más oportunidades.
A couple months ago and have spent the last couple months, dialing it in, getting our settings worked out so that we can cut shapes like this one. Any shape that we can really think of, we take it from the computer and send it right to the laser, and it comes out almost perfect every single time.
Tão valioso de uma companhia como a XT. Nós agradecemos imensamente todo o trabalho realizado nesses longos anos juntos, de muita inovação, de muito trabalho e muito respeito.
I hope you get better and better and we wish you all the best.
And I hope the next Laser will be equal better and better.
For you, and we believe it's getting better and better.
We are sure they will get better and better over the years and continue to provide us with the best laser products around.
Congratulations!
XT Laser is the best.
Thank you very much.
Agradece a XT Laser.
Todo funciona bien.